Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Lightworks? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Lightworks app on your laptop device. Once you open the software, just simply select the second option, I would like to make a new account, and click on next. Over here now you need to write your name, email address, username and password. Once you fill up all the details, just simply click on create. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna create an account on your Lightworks software. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.